every Pepper reading. Welcome back to Goosebumps. Today I will be showing you how you can make this super clear, stretchy slime in just like 5 minutes. You can also make swirls with it and crunch it. That's not that sticky too. You can also make few bubbles and make some ASMR sounds like that. Sorry if you could not hear it. I don't have the mic right now. So you can stretch it. You can also read through this slime and make it under 5 minutes. Okay, that was loud. So let me show you how you can make the slime. So for this, you'll be needing a container, its lid, a mixing tool, some glue, clear glue, a little bit of water, and your activator. So as for my activator, I'm going to be using half teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. But if you want it to be more thick, then you can use 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. And if you want it to be putty-like, then you can use 1.5 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. So first I'm going to add my glue. Yeah. And I'm going to add similar amount of water to the glue. Here. And I'm just going to take my mixing tool and start to mix. You have to mix really slowly so that no air bubbles form. But if some air bubbles form, then you can leave it for a few minutes to just cool and let the air bubbles go back up. So I'm just gonna mix it. And if you think it's too watery, you can add a little more glue. But I think mine's good. Add a little bit water. Okay. Now it's time for our activator. But if you have a few bubbles, I'm just gonna leave it for some time. Letting it sit for like 20 seconds. The bubbles just popped. So I'm gonna add my activator little by little. Mix. 6. I mixed it 6 times and it's already forming. So it's pretty cool. Mix. Mix slowly so that no air bubbles form, as you can see. And you would not have to wait for a longer time for your slime to clear out then. But if you mix extremely slowly, like something like I'm doing, not super, then you may not even have to wait for so long. So my slime's still like pretty sticky. So I'm gonna add a little more activator. Mix, mix, mix. Just like this. Oh wow, it's becoming less sticky. So I think I can like knead this with my hands a little. Just keep my mixing tool aside. It's like water slime. Water slime. Yeah. I can poke it. It's super clear. And I made this in like 5 minutes only. That was pretty fast. Keep it on the table and see. I love this slime so much. So you can poke it like how I'm doing. You can stretch it a lot. And yeah. And there's one tip, you can do this and faster just turn it around and crunch. And you can also hear some of the bubbles popping. So I'll just put my slime back into the container, but as you can see, it's really sticky. I can add a little more of my borax solution and mix it up. Sometimes you may add a little too much. That'll be watery, so you can just flip the container of your slime and remove the excess. And your slime will be good as new. Or back to normal. If your slime starts to stick like this, you can just take your activator and like start to just rub it, and then the excess glue will just become into slime. You can add it back into your container. So that's what I usually do when I make clear slime. So add a little. And now I'll just clean my hands with the activator method. So there, my hands clean. And now we can show you how this looks. So we have made water slime. And if you guys want to learn how to make this slime with very similar ingredients to this, then please stay tuned for many of my videos because I may be showing how you can make this. And I've added a little glitter to it. So the slime looks a little like banana ice cream, I guess. So let me just show you. And close it and crunch it. I'm sorry if you could not hear the crunch. So I may be showing how you can make this slime in one of my other videos. So please stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching on how you can make this super clear water slime, which is flowing like water, a little slowly. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something new and tried something new. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.